G'day folks, Jaiden Drought here with the Farm Trader magazine, and behind me is the SaMASZ P6 771 tedder. So it's the P series 6 for 6 beaters and 7.71 meters working width. As you can see, the 6 beaters each have a wheel underneath. They've got the little crop guard there to stop that getting tangled around the axle. And this is the base model, right? So there is a couple of other options that you can get. The first is that the headland kit, where you can actually move the whole tedder to one side for the outside run, or you can get an optional swath curtain as well. There's a couple of other cool features. Let's go and check them out. If we look at some of the cool features down here on the beaters themselves, first up we've got the 3-pin adjustable wheel setting, so that allows you your height when you're working in the different types of crops or the different ground conditions. All of these gearboxes are perfectly maintenance free, right? So there's no daily maintenance at all. The only gearbox that requires maintenance is the middle one, in which case it's got oil and requires a service. Apart from that, you grease the joints there and happy days. We've also got these tine guards, which are a pretty cool little feature. So obviously you undo the bolt here, slide the tine on, goes back through. This here actually goes all the way into that knuckle, and that's one piece. So if one of these tines breaks, it actually won't let it come off, and that then doesn't contaminate the crop or go through a tyre or anything nasty like that. The other thing up here is we've got our lift ram, so that lifts this end part up, and likewise at the other side as well. That's for your headland function, so these two end ones lift up, and then you lift the rest of the tedder up on the linkage, and then you lift the red tabs up and it folds up conveniently for transport. If we look at the top 5 reasons why you should consider buying a P series tedder from SaMASZ, first up for me, it's the build quality. As you can see, sturdy frame. Tedders are notorious for getting a hard time in the pugged and rutted grounds. You know, you're in there early season, September, October, heavy grass, right? So heavy duty frame. These rams are all well protected. We've got sturdy box section around here, all the way around the back and out there on the outside. So that's perfect for covering the corners in case you encounter a tricky and pesky little fence post. Next up, it's the paint. Again, like the other models that we've had here, the 7-part paint process, right? So again, this is an ex-demo machine, and at no point is there any flaws in the paint, so that's fantastic. It still comes with the 2-year warranty, so the SaMASZ standard 2-year warranty also applies on the P series tedders. The fourth one for me has to be the maintenance-free gearbox. As I mentioned earlier, the central one still needs to be checked and replace the oil in it. However, the rest of them are completely maintenance-free. And the last one is the nice little tine guards. I think it's a nice little touch. It's a really simple concept. That little plastic plug goes in there, bolt goes through, holds it all together. Beautiful. Check out the upcoming video. Pete shot it in 180 frames per second, so you can physically see the grass coming off the tedder. It's a beautiful thing to watch if you're into tedders. Check out the socials as well to see what we're up to, and this has been the Harvest Showcase.